Okay, revolution first is in the season occurrence. We have done this. Application of this whole concept, where you can apply the revolutionary concept. 3-4 concepts are there. Seasonal, we don't know it, so we will avoid this. Seasonal occurrence is required. Second is eclipse formation, lunar solar eclipse. Role will be there in eclipse formations. You know, two types of lunar eclipse and solar eclipse, and tides. So the moon, earth, tides may be, their little role has been there. Tide formations, oceanic tides. Okay. Rest has not much importance. Earthquake revolution, no. Wherever is written small effect. Tectonic reasons are more. Which reasons are more? So we come to the earthquake, we can understand that. Okay, season we have covered it. What are the season reasons? Come on. First is more than this revolution, which is more important? Tilt angle. Then is revolution, and the small part with the rotation. Eclipse. Eclipse means 3 body system now. Let's we do the eclipse, and what? Next topic is what? Tides. Only 2 topics.